We're at the Applied Ergonomics Conference in the exhibit hall with another Ergo Cup competitor. Please introduce yourself, tell us about your solution and what it does.
Chad Wiseman, team of mine. We've had drive shafts that were hard to install, an overhead push force, and it would require two hands to even get it to push on. And then once we pushed it on, it retained where it pulled back off, retained tension. So the team members would have to push it on and then hold with one hand while they got their parts and put the nut and washer onto the stud. Otherwise, it would pull them back off before they couldn't get a stud started. So, and that was we'd start out with 17 kg on the push force to get it on there, and then they'd have to retain that and hold it there with one arm. So what we came up with is this jig. And this is the second rendition, but this jig they can put on, and then when they push it forward, it also locks it in place up in here. So now I can grab my parts and I can put them on, and when I'm done, I can let loose of it. Held it there the entire time. This part is also all 3D printed, so anything that wears out on it, I can just call them up in our Kaizen group. They can print it out for me and be good to go. So it's in-house, cheap to make, and really fixed everything the team members were doing as far as getting injured and with the overhead burden and the speed of the process and everything really helped out.
Yeah, it really seems like another case where a very simple, inexpensive part can make a big difference.
Right.
Both the time savings and the amount of stress involved.
Yeah, the shoulder burden alone made it. I mean, I had team members that could build this for 2 hours, and that's about all they could do. And they have to build it over and over throughout the day and the week. Now they can build it all day if they want to, and it's not a problem at all. No burden at all. So yeah,
great.
Took it all the way down to 3 kg, and that's not a held kg at that point. He was doing it for us.
Makes a big difference.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for being here. We appreciate your solution. Good luck in the Ergo Cup.
Thank you. Appreciate it.